Hey, what is up everyone? This is Tattoo Bart and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we have yet another cool product from OG Produce. We're gonna do the future pen. And yeah, even though this sounds like it's really the future, it's actually a really straightforward tattoo machine. Very simple, very easy to use. So let's just dive down and have a look what's inside this box. Now inside this box we will find the user manual that we won't use, a USB cable, and of course the tattoo machine itself. And look at it, how pretty it actually looks. The screen is absolutely vibrant and works really well. Now how do we turn this on? There's a couple of buttons on the side, and if we press the one in the middle, it's the fire button, and if you hold that for a couple of seconds, it will turn on the machine. Now with the arrows indicating up and down, we can change our voltage up or down. So pretty straightforward. If you long press it, it will go a little bit faster. And you can also see the hertz reading. Now this machine does not have a separate hertz mode. It is just the voltage mode, and it will give you a reading of what hertz this machine will be running at. So at 9 volts, it will run around 107 hertz. Now you can lower it down and higher it up, but the voltage will also go up and down with that. Now the grip is a twist grip like in every other pen style. This one does not click like all the OG models pretty much. And here's a side-by-side comparison with the OG Fury. Now for everyone who will be asking, none of these parts are compatible. The battery, the grip, none of it. Also not the other way around. Like I said, it's a nice and easy, straightforward tattoo machine. Not too many crazy functions that you could use on this machine, but overall just works very good. Now let's just dive down on some practice skin and see what this machine can actually do. OG Produce also supplied me with some sample needles for the purpose of this video, so we're going to be using the 7-round liner and the 13 Magnum. Now I do want to grab a big liner and a small liner that we used in some previous videos. So since this machine is a 4.0 millimeter stroke, it is a very good liner and packer. Now I do know you can do a little bit of soft shading with it, but I have used this machine for a previous tattoo and it was kind of like a more soft realism sort of tattoo, and it was quite hard to get really nice soft and smooth shades. And I don't want to blame it entirely on the machine. The good thing is I did everything on video, so you will be able to see all this footage in a future video that should be coming out pretty soon. Now where this machine is really good for is for lining, packing, maybe even dot work or pepper shading. It works really well, and it is a very strong machine. Now I don't know if this is because of the Volhaber motor that they claim to be inside this machine, or just because the way this machine works. I remember the Fury 2, which is also from OG Produce, is a little bit more of a black and gray realistic, or that 3RL Jason Ramos style sort of machine that works really well for that sort of style. And this machine, even though it is a 4.0 instead of a 4.2 millimeter stroke, it just feels like it has a lot more power. But I think I will make a video where I compare these two machines side by side. Now there's not so much a which one is better, but I think they can complement each other. If you have one for really soft black and gray things, and this one more for your bold lines, more for your packing and things like that, it could be pretty much a golden combination of two tattoo machines. Now yes, I do really enjoy using this tattoo machine. It is very nice. I got it sent to me by OG Produce, unfortunately just with one battery, but I wouldn't mind picking up another battery so I can use this a bit more on a daily basis. Now, if you're looking to get this machine, I will put a link in the description down below so you can save yourself a little bit extra whenever you're buying from OG Produce. Now, whether it is for this machine or maybe some other things that you saw on their website, the code will work for every product that they sell in their store. Now, of course, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so and like this video if you enjoyed watching this video. Any questions that you have, you can drop them in the comments down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Now, other than that, I don't think I have a whole lot more to say other than wishing you all a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.